11 Impressive health benefits of apricot. Apricots, Peunis armeniaca, are stone fruits also known as Armenian plums. Round and yellow, they look like a smaller version of a peach but share the tartness of purple plums. They're extremely nutritious and have many health benefits, such as improved digestion and eye health. Here are 11 health and nutrition benefits of apricots. 1. Very nutritious and low in calories. Apricots are very nutritious and contain many essential vitamins and minerals. Apricots are low in calories and fat while also an excellent source of vitamins A and C. 2. High in antioxidants. Apricots contain numerous antioxidants, most notably flavonoids. They help protect your body from oxidative stress, which is linked to many chronic diseases. 3. May promote eye health. Rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and other carotenoids, apricots are excellent for promoting eye health. Lutein helps to support retina and lens health, while carotenoids and vitamin E support overall vision. Apricot nutrients also help to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. 4. May boost skin health. Antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C are known for their skin-boosting properties. They can help to protect skin cells from ultraviolet, UV, radiation, reduce signs of early wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. Beta-carotene is another antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from sunburns and additional UV damage. Since apricots have high water content, they're also a good way to hydrate your skin. 1 cup of apricots offers about 2/3 of a cup of water. 5. May promote gut health. Apricots may promote gut health. 1 cup, 165 grams, of sliced apricots provides 3.3 grams of fiber, which is 8.6% and 13.2% of the DV for men and women, respectively. Apricots contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble kind dissolves in water and includes pectin, gums, and long chains of sugar called polysaccharides, while the insoluble kind doesn't dissolve in water and includes cellulose, hemicellulose, and linen. Apricots are particularly high in soluble fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Furthermore, fiber delays the movement of food through your digestive tract and feeds your beneficial gut bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome is linked to a lower risk of obesity. While a single apricot, 35 grams, holds only 0.7 grams of fiber, it's easy to eat a few in one sitting. 6. High in potassium. Apricots are high in potassium, a mineral that also serves as an electrolyte. In your body, it's responsible for sending nerve signals and regulating muscle contractions and fluid balance. 2 apricots, 70 grams, provide 181 milligrams of this mineral, which is 4% of the DV. As potassium works closely with sodium to maintain fluid balance, adequate intake may help prevent bloating and maintain healthy blood pressure. One analysis of 33 studies found that a diet rich in potassium significantly reduced blood pressure and resulted in a 24% lower risk of stroke. 7. May boost metabolism. Fluid levels throughout the body are dependent mainly on 2 minerals, potassium and sodium. The high amounts of potassium in apricots can be linked to maintaining fluid balance in the body, and ensuring that energy is properly distributed to the organs and muscles. By maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes, you might have more energy, reduce cramping, and keep blood and usable energy pumping through your body as you need it. 8. Very hydrating. Apricots are naturally high in water, which is important for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for several aspects of health, including blood pressure and heart rate. 9. May protect your liver. In 2 rat studies, apricots were found to protect the liver from oxidative stress caused by the ingestion of alcohol. Yet, human studies are needed. 10. Easy to add to your diet. Both fresh and dried apricots are widely available. You can eat them on their own or add them to your favorite dishes, sides, or desserts. 11. May aid in anemia treatment. Dried apricots may be a good source of iron and copper. If you are suffering from anemia, you can include them in your diet to boost your iron levels. Iron deficiency anemia, IDA, can lead to weakness, fatigue, lightheadedness, digestive issues, and general metabolic dysfunction. Without red blood cells, the body can't reoxygenate itself properly, and organ systems may begin to malfunction. Iron is a key part of red blood cell formation, as is copper. Word of caution: some people may be allergic to dried apricots. Sulfites, present in most dried foods, can trigger an asthmatic attack. Also, you should avoid eating the seeds or kernels because they can cause cyanide poisoning in some people.